Exit safe mode using command prompt when Windows 10 or 8 is stuck in safe mode. Turn off your computer and then turn it back on. On your keyboard, immediately press Escape repeatedly until the startup menu displays. Press F11 to select System Recovery. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type bcdedit space / delete value space left curly bracket default right curly bracket space safeboot, and then press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter, or close the command prompt window. Select Continue to restart your computer normally.